children, today we are going to see Term 3 Social Unit 1 Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu. Let us get into the video session.
Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu. A freedom fighter is a person who thinks his native ethnic group is not free and working to have freedom for his group. Freedom fighters wants his people to have own nation and independence. Let us see some of the freedom fighters in this lesson. Can you guess who is he? Yes, he is Subramania Bharati. He is a poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. He was born in a village called Ettayapuram in Tuticorin district. He started writing poems at the age of 7. His poems are patriotic and it is all about gender equality and women empowerment. He worked as a teacher. Then he became the assistant editor of the Swadeshamitran newspaper in 1904. He also met Mahatma Gandhi in 1919. He worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Siva. His poems are Vande Mataram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharatam motivated people to join the freedom struggle movement. Look at this picture. He is V.O. Chidambaram. He was also called as Kappalottiya Tamilan. He was born in Tuticorin. He was a lawyer and was also a good orator. He took part in the Indian independence movement. He started the first Indian shipping company. It was called Swadeshi Shipping Company. By this, he gained popularity. Many people started to follow him, which worried the British people. Hence, the British sent V.O. Chidambaram to jail. Though he was in the jail, he continued to fight for Indians' independence. His patriotism inspired many people even today. Look at this picture. He is Senbaga Raman. During his school days, he met a British biologist, Sir Walter Strickland. He took him to Austria. Senbaga Raman completed his schooling in Austria. Though he grew up in a foreign land, he was still very patriotic. Senbaga Raman established an organization called International Pro-India Committee at Zurich before the outbreak of the World War I. During the war, Senbaga Raman intensified his revolutionary ideologies. He also joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He coined the slogan Jai Hind, which is used till today. Next, we are going to learn about Subramania Siva. He was a freedom fighter and a creative writer. He was born in Dindigul and was very passionate about Tamil. Subramania Siva started a monthly newspaper called Jnana Bhanu. He wrote many books, namely Ramajuna Vijayam, Sankara Vijayam and so on. He inspired many young people to join the freedom movement. This angered the British and they sent him to jail. Even though he was in the jail, he continued his work for the freedom movement. Subramania Siva closely worked with V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Bharati in freedom movement. The collector office of Dindigul district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. He is Tirupur Kumaran. He was born in Tirupur. During his young age, he actively involved himself in the freedom movement. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. It inspired many young people of Tamil Nadu to take part in the freedom struggle. During the protest against the British, He died holding the national flag of India. So, he is called Kodikatha Kumaran. Look at this picture. She is Lakshmi Sahgal. Lakshmi Sahgal was a revolutionary of the Indian independence movement. She was an officer of the Indian National Army. She is commonly called Captain Lakshmi. By this lesson, we inspired after knowing all these freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu, their patriotism towards India and the contribution to independence can never be forgotten. They inspire and motivate us to be better citizens and save our country. Have you all understand this lesson? Let us meet in another video session. Thank you.